I'm Joe Meehan. I'm the president of Concrete Cutting Systems. Concrete Cutting Systems provides services for core drilling, for flat sawing, for wall sawing, wire sawing, interior excavation. We provide a variety of services to plumbers, electricians, homeowners, industrial plants, government facilities, etc. We take pride in a clean environment. When we finish a job, we make sure that we clean it as good as it was when we first arrived to the job site. We consider our clients more as partners than we do customers. We build a business relationship with our customers that they can trust us to get the job done in a timely manner and at a cost that fits their budget.